Japanese makeup is all about looking like you woke up flawless. It's soft, radiant, and elegant. And the best part, you don't need a ton of product to get there. Hi everyone, I'm Anzeei and welcome back to my channel. I do makeup, skincare, and all things pretty. If that's your vibe, make sure to hit that subscribe button. For base, Japanese makeup often use cushion foundation, but today I'm going in with Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint. It's lightweight, super hydrating, and leaves the skin with that radiant glow we are going for. For concealer, I like to mix a slightly darker shade with lighter one. I always make sure the product is worked well into the brush before blending. This way, it melts into the skin instead of sitting on the top. It hides dark spots effortlessly while still keeping the base looking fresh and light. And of course, I'm using the same concealer under my eyes to brighten and keep everything look flawless and natural. Now for blush, I'm using the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch in the shade Happy. Since liquid products look more natural, they're perfect for this style. Instead of sweeping it upward like I usually do for a lifted look, I'm applying it in a round placement to give that soft, youthful vibe. I'm also adding a little bit to the nose bridge, tip, and even on the eyelids. This creates a monochromatic, effortless look. For brows, Japanese makeup tend to keep it soft and natural. My brows are already pretty thick, so I'm just setting them in place with Benefit Brow Setter. For the eyes, I'm blending a soft purple shade on the outer corners and a lighter lavender shade on the inner corners. Then I'll draw a thin long wing to elongate the eyes and also define the inner corners. For the aegyo-sal, I'm keeping it really soft and natural. I just follow along my natural eye bag with a light line, then blend it out gently using a clean brush so there's no harsh edges. To highlight, I'm using a light pink shade instead of white. It gives that subtle, youthful look without being too harsh. And of course, a little shimmer in the inner corners. Next, lashes. I make sure to curl them really well for that wide eye effect. And here's a little trick for bottom lashes. I use a fan brush to apply the mascara. It coats every lashes perfectly without clumping, giving that delicate doll-like finish. Then I set my T-zone with Milani Perfect and Conceal Press Powder to lock everything in place. For contour, I'm using my trusty Hoola bronzer to define the nose bridge and tip, followed by a touch of setting powder and a flat brush to highlight that natural definition. For lips, I'm contouring my Cupid's bow lightly with a purple shadow. Then I apply a nude lipstick, top it with a glossy romance lip tint. It's perfect for that soft, radiant finish. To bring it all together, I'm adding a dewy balm highlights to the cheekbones, brow bone, and nose bridge for that signature Japanese glow. And that's the final look. It's fresh, radiant, and effortlessly elegant. If you love soft, natural, and glowy makeup look like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!